What'd you say?
What does the background look all right? You can see all my junk back there, but
What's going on, Jake?
we are giving this lady her semi-custom complete bike tomorrow. This is a Sunday Wavelength, top of the line pro model bike. She is semi-crazy and went crazy and got crazy wheels, crazy stem, upgraded the fully upgraded bike. But these wheels are sick with the matching stem. But those wheels are crazy. So crazy that actually we didn't even come up with it. One of our other customers, Ben Cantrell, has the same wheel set, and that lady seen them and thought they were so badass, she did a matching set. So pretty sweet. Yeah. Oh, the seat, that's not her seat, that's Jack's, but he's psychotic and has 25 seats picked out for her. So when she gets here tomorrow, she is going to choose what seat goes on it. I agree the stock one is not the move, so she needs that.